Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Tech company Meizu is introducing Lucky 078 mobile. This is a flagship AI phone. The Meizu Lucky 08 is positioned as a $282 and uses 1.75 mm extremely narrow 4 equal sides. The phone will come with the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset. Dual 2.5D micro arc design on the front and back. The front of the phone has a pure white panel. Meizu sure is launching a lot of smartphones these days. And the screen uses a center hole design. Both with a red power button contrast design. Meizu has launched a Chinese Yuan 1 reservation service. There will be a dual camera setup back on this amazing phone. And it will have a high pixel density and GPU of 18 in order to enhance the quality of graphics and give the device smoother performance. If you paid a measly amount, you reserve your phone place in a buying queue for the phone when it comes. And you also get a chance to drive the Meizu X7 Lite. There will be 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB of built-in memory. And to give more power, there will be 3 GHz octa-core processor. There is a center position punch hole cutout, while the SIM tray section is on the left side and has a Full HD Plus display, and the handset will have Dolby Atmos support. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.